Hello and welcome. Today I want to give you a short introduction of what are binary options. So, binary options have a different set of properties. First of all, an asset, for example, Forex, so Euro USD pair or something like that, or stocks. You either decide to buy or sell an binary option in either a stock or a Forex. Second of all, you need to decide for direction. You either want to say, okay, I buy a put, meaning the price will go down, or I buy a call, meaning the price will go up. The next thing a binary option has is the so-called strike price. This is the price where you're gonna buy your binary option for. I will show an example soon. The next thing is the expiry, so it means the runtime, how long do you decide this binary option is running, and after that timeout, it is determined if you won or lost the trade. And the last one is the payout, meaning how much do you get for your investment. Okay, so let's jump into a little example. Here we see the IQ Options platform, and because it's on the weekend now, we can only trade the Bitcoin index. But if you want to make a trade, so the asset currently would be the Bitcoin index. We have an investment of €3 and the payout of 80%, meaning the return would be €2.30. And the strike price you can see here is currently 2,515.521, and you can either decide to have do a call or a put. So you see, actually see the direction. Call meaning it would go up, put meaning it would go down, and the expiry of, so this would be expire in 50 seconds. What does it mean? If I do a put and it expires in 50 seconds, the price needs to be lower than the current strike price when I bought it. If I do a call, it needs to be higher. So for example, if I would on the beginning of this candle would have bought a 1 minute put, I would have won, because then this whole thing goes down and closes in here. This is a 1 minute chart, meaning each candle represents 1 minute. Yeah, that's to that. Okay, let's go back to the charts. I think I may have, yeah, okay, we already had that one. Okay, so you win if you basically predict the movement of the market or the movement of the price correctly within your chosen expiry time. It's also a good thing. You don't need to be right or in the completely long run. You just need to be right in your expiry time. For example, I most of the times trade only 1 minute expiries, so I need to be right the next minute. Okay, so yeah, a lot of times when you search the internet for binary options, or when you heard about binary options already, you come along that a lot of people claim binary options are just gambling. Well, for me, binary options are just another form of investment. Each investment has certain risks and a certain return of investment. So for binary options, I think the risk is quite high, but also the return of investment is quite high. So how does people think this is gambling? This is because we say you can't predict the market. That is in some points true. You can't predict it to 100%, but with the right strategy, with a correct money management discipline, and a market or an understanding of how the market moves, it is quite possible to make an educated guess. So meaning you move your chance to win the trade from 50% to what would be gambling to, I don't know, 70 to 80%. That is the win rate of a good strategy. And of course, when you lose, sometimes this is where the discipline comes in. You need to continue with your money management. You only need to win around 58% or something like that to make money with binary options. But it sounds easier than it is. So let's just once again jump into a chart. For example, how is this not gambling? Without going too much into detail right now, you can see, for example, let's take a good example. This one here is beautiful. So you would only trade what you know. So if you check this one out here, you see here happens something around this price. We will go through later in another video. We'll go into details about this. But you just for now notice the price stops here, tries again to reach it, doesn't, tries again, and goes away. So the next time this happens, when the price reaches this, for example here, this candle also tries to breach that, and it fails. So you would, in this candle, so you would actually use, whoa, one moment, that's too much. This candle here, you would make a put, and you would have won. Then you could have decided, if you're an aggressive trader like I am, you could again do here a put, and you would have again won. So where wouldn't I trade? For example, I always trade around these areas because I know something is bound to happen there most of the time. That's why, again, not 100% win rate. But for example, this one, yeah, it stops here, but I didn't see anything. If I scroll to the left, I just don't know what happened there. I just don't care. I just skip it. Yeah. So that with the strategy, and this is so-called support and resistance trading, what I just shown you here, you can remove the gambling aspect and increase your win rate. But it's up to you to decide if you want to try this out, or if you still think it's gambling. You could, for example, register with IQ Options. I provided a link in the description. They have a demo account, so you can try it with virtual money, and yeah, hopefully you will do it and see if you like it or don't. I will provide further resources in the future, and of course will do my trading analysis. There you also see, hopefully, that I'm making in the long run money. Yeah, see you soon.